Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be looking at this PS4 Slim that has no power. Now it's in very bad condition now, but if I can get the motherboard going I do have a housing. It looks like it's been smashed off a wall, to be honest. Like it's just falling apart here with a broken fan. And it's pretty dirty. Now I have plugged it in, there is no power like I said. The other one that came has, it's turning on but it's overheating, so I'll make a video about that one in the next video, but just for now we'll focus on this one. So what I'll do is I will take this apart just to see if we can find out what the actual issue is. We have a bug inside this. Okay, these connectors also look bent and there was a bug here, and these connectors do not look in great shape, so it's bent there, so maybe it just wasn't making contact with the board, but we'll see. I'll take it down further because I want to give it a clean anyway. I want to take out this motherboard and I want to rehouse it anyway. Okay, so this connector is pretty badly damaged, so what I'll do is I will get it under the microscope, change it and put it back together and see if it powers up then. Okay, so it's just back together enough to test. I have it in the housing with a fan. Now there's no thermal paste on it yet, but I'll just show you that it does start up and the resolution is working perfect and everything seems to be working fine. Okay, so I lost audio here, but everything is working fine. What I'll do is I'll house this PlayStation off camera, and maybe in my next video I will show you an update of this one here when it's fully housed. Like I said, it came in a joblot of 2, the other one is overheating, so it should just be an easy fix, but that's my next video. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you for the next one. Thanks for watching.